Auto Parts Pro. Today with 2014 Subaru WRX, stock number 7332. Trim on the 3rd, 2014 to the 10th, 2021. It's an FA28 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, that plus 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA28 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. The front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, rear boot lid, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory face leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,